Today, we'll guide you through the process of crafting heart-shaped concrete knobs. In a disposable bowl, add concrete mix and water. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct ratio of concrete to water. Stir with a plastic spoon until your concrete reaches a smooth, paste-like consistency. Add the concrete to a silicone mold. We chose a heart-shaped mold, but feel free to use any shape you like. Use a spoon to fill each mold and make a few extras just in case. Insert one screw into each concrete heart, ensuring the screw head is center and level. Let the concrete harden overnight, and then gently pop the knobs out of the mold. Use sandpaper if needed to smooth out imperfections. Then, with a paintbrush, apply acrylic paint onto the surface of each knob. We opted for a pastel pink for our heart-shaped knobs. Once the base coat is dry, unleash your creativity by adding details with a second color of acrylic paint. Experiment with different designs for a personalized touch. And there you have it, your unique handcrafted concrete knobs ready to adorn your cabinetry or furniture.